Fidgeters, this is Mark from Vceego. Today I will choose some fidget toys. Like this, moondrop, boring toys. Moondrop, smooth. Oh shit, so boring. Like this, mokuru. Oh gosh, boring. Like this, spinner. LED spinner. Cool, right? Spinner. And the pad, fidget pad. Gosh. Silence. Silence. Click. Boring. Oh, so boring. And this fidget pen, thick ink pen. This colorful bars. Different size bars. Now let's introduce another fidget toys. Also fidget pen. It includes all of the functions. Polar pen, fidget pen 2. Let's see the colors. Silver, golden, charmer, and mixed corners. A full set includes 3-piece ballpoint and 1 magnetic pen and extra magnet like this, and different size boards, stainless steel boards, 2, 8 standard size board, and 2 bigger and 2 smaller, and these 2-piece like this. Yeah. 2 smaller, bigger. Play it, pen board, and this one. You can find 1-piece pen cap. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Now let's play it. Yeah. Let's go to other functions. Use this one. Yeah. Cool, right? Let's go to spinner. Now we need 3 6-piece of magnet. And the 3-piece magnet. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Spinner, spinner. Cool, right? Yeah. Yeah. Spinner. Gun, right? Yeah, cool. Now, let's do that. Oh my god. Change, change, change. Fire! 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 Now let's use the magnet and the stainless bar. We need the magnet and the bar. Smaller, bigger. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Yeah, cool, right? No, we don't need just bigger one and small one. We don't need it. Yeah. Cool, right? Now, for another one, we should use this and this and magnet. There it is. Doggy. Doggy. Anyway, if you have any images, you can do anything as you wish. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.